Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.
Hey love, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a powerful all natural hair growth butter that your hair is going to absolutely love. If your hair is not growing like they used to, this butter is exactly what you need. This rich blend includes some of my favorite ingredients: hibiscus flower, cloves, rosemary, shea butter, coconut oil, Ayurvedic hair growth oil, castor oil, and rosemary essential oil. Every single ingredient here plays a powerful role in promoting healthy, strong, and flourishing hair. Shea butter deeply moisturizes and seals in hydration. Rosemary stimulates blood flow to the scalp and encourages hair growth. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that strengthen the hair shaft. Hibiscus helps prevent breakage and promote thicker strands. Coconut oil nourishes the scalp and reduces protein loss. Castor oil is legendary for thickening and regrowing edges. And that rosemary oil is a game changer for stimulating growth. I start by adding my shea butter, which is the base, to a clean stainless plate, and then adding all the hibiscus leaves, the rosemary leaves, and the cloves into it. Then I let it gently melt and boil on low heat for 10 to 20 minutes using the double boiler method to preserve all those nutrients.
Tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk, then go tell my story. It don't work like that.
Once infused, I let it cool slightly before sieving out the shaft from the oil, then goes ahead to whip it into a soft creamy butter that melts right into the scalp and the hair.
My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller, yeah, like controller, yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shot. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe.
I'll also be adding other oils like coconut oil, castor oil, Ayurvedic hair growth oil, and rosemary essential oil to boost the hair benefit of this Ayurvedic hair butter.
First see the city skylight shining from my room. Yes, such a sight to see in the month of June.
This is what we have after letting it to sit for a couple of hours. Look at that texture. It's looking so nourishing already.
It's been a long time. I say, okay, 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 don't worry, I got you.
For that smooth and fluffy texture, we have to blend it together so it will give us that soft, smooth, and fluffy texture. So let's just go with the flow.
To love you deeply. Ooh, let me love you.
Do you know, aside your hair, you can use this hair butter to moisturize your skin. Because look at that shiny, glossy feeling this butter is giving to my hands right now. It's so nice. I love using this on freshly washed hair, especially before protective styling. It softens the hair, locks in moisture, and gives my curls the boost they need to thrive. Hold. I will be so fast because very soon I'll start sweating. I hate sun. Alright. Please give me. Wait, hold on. No, you've not started.
Go back.
Yeah. Oh yeah, give me this stuff. No, no, no. So can you see it from there?
Yeah. Maybe money will cut cut now.
So hold it. Give me this one.
Okay, nice. No me no.
Hey, I need bring one thing. My brush. Yeah, it is. Just on the table. That black brush that is very hard. Mm. The gate don't open. Let's say madman chuchu want enter this place. If madman come, we'll just enter straight to your house. I'm like, where is that boy named Promise?
Slap am.
He's just around there.
Never slap.
You
person.
see black, eh? Eh? Hey, he's there. End it.
Go and wash that mouth.
Thursday wants to sleep. Eh? You sleep with Oh, Bolu. I wanna sleep, I wanna sleep. Eh? Get up with him.
I'll just carry this to go inside now. Go sleep.
I beg you. Beg you, beg you. Hey, Chim. Promise.
Hey, hold on. Is this your cream?
Fling, fling.
Hmm?
Eh?
Is this your cream?
I don't see. I made it myself.
So write your name there now.
Fling, fling. Come on, say Jane Belu this aloe vera, ma. I'm happy about now. I came. So now can just have to go there for now.
Okay, dear.
Hmm?
Sing that.
Aloe vera, man. Fling, fling, fling. Fling, fling, fling. Ouch.
See. Oh no, no, good.
Hey. Is it shiny, my hair?
Yeah. I cannot see. The sun is so.
But you're looking at it like looking at it from your own. Looking at it physically, is it shiny?
shiny.
I'm gonna give him the brush. Thanks.
Now they come out.
And here's how my hair turned out: shiny, defined, and moisturized. This butter is honestly a staple in my routine now, and I know you are going to love it too. If you're ready to give your hair the natural love it deserves, go ahead and try this hair butter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair care tips, DIYs, and vlogs. Let me know in the comments what ingredients your hair loves the most, or what you'd like to see me make next. Bye for now. See you on my next.